Taking into account the data security required by all social networks, Facebook has a functionality that adds protection to messages. It is an end-to-end encryption, that is, Facebook cannot see the messages sent into the conversation. The operation of this protocol works through the generation of a code that functions as a key for each message that travels through the network through services of this company. This message, fully encrypted from the moment it leaves the sender's mobile phone until it reaches the receiver, can only be decrypted with this key when it arrives at the phone of the person you were talking to. This is how end-to-end encryption works. Another extra benefit that secret conversation can offer us in this social network is the programming to delete messages automatically. If even with point-to-point encryption we are not comfortable with our privacy, we can add another layer by programming the automatic elimination of this after a certain time that we will establish ourselves. To activate them, enter the Facebook Messenger app on your smartphone. Click on the upper icon as if you were to start a new conversation. Once inside the contact list, in the upper right corner, you will see an option called Secret. Press it. You are not in the same contact list, but this time the chat that will store will be a secret conversation. Find the contact you want and start a chat with them as you normally would. To see the timer for messages to be automatically deleted after a certain period of time, next to the bar to write a new message you will find an icon of a small stopwatch. Press it. It will activate a menu in which you can set the time you want this message to be active for both us and our interlocutor. Set the timer you want and click Set Timer.